Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Search Console for better indexing, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Google Search Console website. Sign in with your Google account associated with your website. Once logged in, click on the Start Now button. You will be prompted to add a property. Enter your website URL in the designated field. Make sure to select the correct protocol, either HTTP or HTTPS. Click on Continue to proceed. You will see options for verifying your ownership of the website. Choose the verification method that suits you best. For example, you might select HTML tag to add a meta tag to your website. If you choose this method, copy the meta tag provided. Next, log in to your website's content management system. Access the section where you can edit the header or footer of your site. Paste the meta tag into the appropriate section and save the changes. Return to Google Search Console and click the Verify button. If successful, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, navigate to the dashboard of your Search Console. From here, explore the various features available for your site. Check the Performance tab to view how your site is performing in search results. Locate the coverage report to understand indexing status. Review any errors or warnings that could affect your site's visibility. Use the Sitemaps feature to submit your XML sitemap for better indexing. Click on Sitemaps in the left menu and enter your sitemap URL. Submit the sitemap and wait for Google to process it. Explore the Mobile Usability Report to ensure your site is mobile-friendly. Address any mobile usability issues that may arise. Regularly monitor your Search Console dashboard for new insights. Make it a habit to check back periodically for updated performance data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.